Good morning, sixth graders. What's going on? Got a lot of energy today. I'm excited to finish up the week with you guys, give you guys a short video so we can get on the right track and have a good, successful end of our week, and you guys can get to your weekend. Okay, once again, sometimes I talk too fast, so you can always replay this video, stop it, pause it at any time. Try to keep it short for you guys so that you guys can get on with your assignment and get on to the rest of your classes. Once again, we are on week 4. This is your second video of the day, or of the week, excuse me. Okay, week 4. Go ahead and click on the week 4 folder. We already discussed Monday and Tuesday's assignment. Very similar, Wednesdays and Thursdays. You will have 2 days to complete the one assignment. Okay, but it is not another CAMI assignment. Okay, once again, don't panic when you see 3 different things here. Really, only one of them is your assignment, but you need to look at these other 2. You are already watching this informational video, which is right here. Okay, so if you're watching this video, you already have gotten that far, so good job. Next thing I want to go over is the rules for capitalization. That will be your assignment today. Okay, it might be a review to some of us, but it's always good to brush up on those capitalization skills. I notice when some of us are turning in some assignments, we forget to capitalize some things that need to be. Okay, whether that may be you're just working too fast, you didn't reread your work, or maybe you didn't know some certain things need to be capitalized. So that's why we're going to go over it today. All right, so go ahead and click on that second one. Now you have different options here. Yes, it has the option to open it with CAMI if you would like to underline things, but this is strictly your notes. Okay, they're going to help you complete the assignment, so you do not need to technically open that with CAMI and submit anything for this particular part. Okay, you can if you would like I said, but you can also just view it, or you can download it. This might be a good option for you because you can download it to your computer and you can keep it open and use those notes to complete the other assignment. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. Notice how the download pops up down here. It might pop up somewhere different on your computer, but for mine it pops up down here. Okay, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag this over here. This might be an option for you. Okay, I know, sorry, my screen gets cut off a little bit, but you guys kind of understand what I'm going for here. Okay, here are your rules for capitalization. Okay, what you need to capitalize in any sentence, paragraph, or whatever it may be that you are reading or writing. Okay, on the left side here is the rule. On the right side it gives you examples. Okay, notice there are only 6 different rules. Try to keep it simple for you guys. Rule number 1, do capitalize the first letter of a proper noun, a name for a person, place, thing, or event. Okay, so obviously all your guys' names are capitalized. My name is capitalized. A certain place, Pueblo, is capitalized. Chicago is capitalized. Okay, all those different things are capitalized. Once again, use your examples off to the left. All right, as you work down, I'm not going to go over all of these. If you have questions about any of them, feel free to message me and ask me about any of the questions you have. But once again, if you're confused on the definitions, because sometimes the definitions can be a little bit confusing or difficult to understand, all right, use the examples on the left to help clarify what exactly this is talking about. Okay, notice how I have it open on a separate screen. You do not have to do that, but I think it'll help you with your assignment. If you follow my cursor back over here, now I need to get to the assignment, so I'm going to go back, click on Wednesday and Thursday again. Here is the actual assignment you will turn in with CAMI. Okay, so this one, unlike the other one, unlike this one, you need to open this one with CAMI so that you can write on it, edit it, and turn it in for credit. Take a drink of water, like I said in the last video. Now I'm refreshed. Now I'm good to go. Ready to attack the assignment. I'm going to go ahead and open this one a little bit more so that you can see it, but I'm always using my notes to help me complete the worksheet or the task. Okay, it's going to be 3 different parts: Part A, Part B, and Part C. Part A, read the directions. People, have them highlighted for you. Okay, Read each sentence, then decide which capitalization rule each sentence demonstrates and write the letter of the rule on the line. Okay, I'm going to go over number 1 for you. So here are all your rules up here, just like they are on this notes page. Okay, here's number 1. I met Mayor Robinson yesterday. We need to look at which words are capitalized. Okay, yes, the first letter in every sentence is going to be capitalized. Okay, so that possibly could be a rule. So that would fall maybe under C, capitalize the first letter of a sentence. Okay, so maybe I could write C on this line. Probably going to have C on all of them. Okay, it's all right to have multiple letters on each line. All right, but now I need to look at what else is capitalized in here. Just don't write C. You need to look at what else is capitalized in here. Okay, Mayor Robinson. Okay, we know Mayor Robinson as the name of a person, and that is their title. So I need to look for the one of a proper noun. A, capitalize the first letter of a proper noun. I would also write A on the line. Okay, number 2, Dad likes to play golf. What is my word that is capitalized? Dad. Dad is not a proper noun. Okay, it is a common noun, but what rule does it follow? We know C, capitalize the first letter of a sentence, so I would write C on the line. Okay, I'm not going to go over all of them for you because then you won't have any work to do. I'm just going to help you out with those first 2. Moving on to part B. Decide whether each sentence follows the correct capitalization rules by writing yes or no. So you just need to write yes or no on each of these lines. Okay, number 6 right here. Mary Lou, okay, that's the name of a person. It's capitalized. It's also the start of a sentence. Yes. The cousin of the hard-working little mouse was the exact opposite. Find the words that are capitalized. We see cousin is capitalized. Cousin does not need to be capitalized. Okay, if a name followed it, then yes, it would be. But since it does not need to be capitalized, it does not follow the correct capitalization rules from my notes over here. So I would write a no or an N on the line for number 6. Okay, then work through 6 through 10. Down to part C. Once again, read the highlighted instructions if you are confused. You might have to read them a couple times, okay? Oftentimes, the first time we read things, we do not understand them right away. Okay, identify the incorrectly capitalized word in each sentence, and then write it correctly on the appropriate line below. If there is no error, write NE on the line. So I see number 11 down here. It must go with the sentence that is numbered number 11 right here. Once upon a time, a princess and prince lived in a castle. You need to determine which one of these is correctly capitalized or not. Okay, you need to write that one correctly on the line for number 11. All right, as you go, here's 12, goes with 12, 13, 13, and so forth. If there is not a mistake, remember to write NE on the line. Okay, use these notes to help you go back and forth. That is why I showed you how to open up both of them at the same time. All right, just an easy little way, look, kind of a cheat sheet on the right for you guys. Okay, use your resources wisely. When you are done, that is part 3. Once again, you have Wednesday and Thursday. These will be due on Sunday, how all of our assignments normally are due. But if it were me and I wanted to have a great weekend, I would get them done on Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, don't forget to come up here, hit that auto save button, and then click turn in so that I can give you credit and grade it and get it in the grade book for you guys. Alrighty, all right, enough of me talking for today. It's time for you to get to work. After you're done with this, I hope you have a great weekend. Okay, get outside. It should warm back up this weekend. And I hope you guys have a great day as well. Good job, 6th graders. See you next time.